Brought to you by Standard Bank, the bank for entrepreneurs.
Manufacturing in Africa is very much a growth sector. Many of these economies and many of these governments in these specific countries are realizing that they have to diversify their economies to become less reliant on the local commodities. By identifying manufacturing as a key growth opportunity, many of these governments have put active plans in place to be an environment where it's easy to do business from a manufacturing perspective. They've realized that by creating manufacturing in their respective countries, by developing it, they can create jobs, they can diversify their respective economies, and they can become less reliant on their local commodities. Typically from a manufacturing perspective, we always used to look to the east to manufacture our goods, but what we found is in China, for instance, the cost of labor is slowly going up. With the establishment of labor unions, etc. over there. So there's lots of businesses that are looking for the next frontier for low-cost labor, and one of these opportunities is in Africa. So these economies are saying, well, we can create jobs, we can create an environment for manufacturing by approaching some of these businesses to do their manufacturing in these countries. Supporting some of these big manufacturing initiatives, it's obviously important for these countries to put their infrastructure in place so that they can distribute some of these products that they are manufacturing in these countries. So there's a lot of focus on putting the road infrastructure in place, making sure that the ports are in place, as well as the airports. So absolutely critical for them to focus on putting that infrastructure in place so that they can truly support the manufacturing growth that they're looking to stimulate in these countries. If you are interested in expanding into Africa, I would strongly suggest you make contact with your business banker or your account executive. They'll be able to introduce you to the Africa desk, which is based in Johannesburg, and then this Africa desk can facilitate an introduction into the respective countries that you are interested in.
Brought to you by Standard Bank, the bank for entrepreneurs. Standard Bank. Moving forward.